Earl, look, before you go to bed, look what somebody sent you from Cheryl. Look.
You want a bite?
You want a bite? Are you going to unbox it? Can you get it? Here, do you need some help? Let's see if I can get it. And it wasn't sure if I could get it with one hand. Look. Oh. Do you want me to hang that in your cage? Maybe I'll hang it over here and we'll see how you feel about it. Yeah, he can be kind of funny at first about things. And then if you end up you don't like it, we'll just give it to Percy Boy. Does that sound okay? You like that?
Come here.
How about I hang this on your bucket? That's not too scary, right? Woo! Yeah. And then when you toss your bucket, the bell will ring. You like that idea? Okay, I'm going to get the room ready for you to go to bed, and then I'll take a video of you going to bed, okay? Okay. E-I-E-I-O. Are you singing Old MacDonald Had a Farm? Old MacDonald went to bed. There you go, buddy. He's going to step out. He's going to take 3 steps, and then he's going to go. What are you going to do? Are you going to make a liar out of me? Normally he makes this noise. Not today. You going to come give me kisses? It's hard to hold the phone and give me a kiss. Night nights. Do you love me, Earl? You do? Do you love me? You want another kiss? Or are you going to go eat? That was a big kiss. No noise. Give me a kiss and make a noise. Okay. You want to eat, buddy? You hear Percy? All right, Earl. Love you. Say, I had a good day out of my cage. I was pretty good today. Huh? Right? No comment? Do you want pet? No? Okay. Oh, you want to get your foot? You want to step up? Here. Here, give me your foot. You want to give me your foot? No? Okay. Oh, you want some water? All right, Earl. Love you, buddy. See you in the morning. Tomorrow's live show. Say, be there, be square. Night. You're going to quit with the water? Look. Was you drinking water out of this? Let me show you something. Yeah. Get in there. Go get a drink of water. Get a drink of water. I thought he would like that. Here. Come here. Get a drink of water. Oh, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm sorry. That is so cool, right? You could take a bath if you wanted. And don't cockle chew it. Treat it nicely. And look, we're not wasting any water. Oh, you're gonna take a bath in it too? That is the cutest thing ever, Buster. I knew he would like that. Splish splash, Buster, you were taking a bath. Now we'll have to see what Earl and Percy think of it. Oh my goodness. Here, Buster, put your dishes in here. You want to wash your dishes? Put your dishes in there. Wash your dishes. Oh my goodness, good job. You gonna wash the dishes? Yeah? Good job. Here's your sponge. Oh, okay, sorry. Wash your dishes. Hey, I could chew it, silly. Get it wet. There you go. Look at you, smart bird. Here. Here, wash your dishes, buddy. Oh my goodness, Buster. This is funny. Get the sponge wet. Here, now you gotta scrub the cup. Here, there you go. Oh, okay. You're gonna put it in the strainer. Look here, here's your little ducky. Do you want this wash rag? Here's the wash rag. There you go. Now here's the cup. You gotta wash the cup. What about the plate? Here, you wanna go fishing? Look at the little fishy. You wanna fish? Here. It's very nice, isn't it? Yeah, wash those dishes, boy. Good job. Oh, you're gonna wash the faucet? Yeah, you should always clean up. You like that? Nice job. Cleaning. Wow. Buster the cleaning cockatoo. I'm gonna have a mess to clean up. That's okay. He's having fun. Oh, here, you're getting it all over one of my cookbooks. Do that. There we go. Say, I'm not eating it. I don't eat it. I just destroy it. Get your drink. Good job. Oh, you go, yeah. Wash those feet. Take a bath. Take a bath. Then a drink. Look, there's water down in here. Yeah, I saw them. Look. You want to take a bath? Get in there. Dad's home, guys. You're very excited, huh? Oh, you got to get the other foot wet. There you go. Nice. Look. Look, Buster. There ain't no way. He loves this thing. He's washing dishes and all kinds of stuff. So I'm having, oh, you're going to go down the slide?
Put that in the water.
He did the other one. And he was wiping the top. I tried to get him to do some of the dishes and he would, here, watch, he'll toss it.
You got your own sink?
Yeah. Ain't you special? I've been videoing for probably close to like 8 minutes. It's just hilarious. Then he'll get his feet in there. He loves it. He got the table kind of wet, but I don't care. I'll just wipe it. It's just water. He's having a good time. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there, Buzz. Go down the slide. Go down the slide. Don't throw the water out, silly. I can't believe he just hasn't really gotten in there. What are you trying to do? You washing dishes? Good job, buddy. If he hadn't torn off the handle on that one. Even when it's custom made for you, you gotta be extra. Hey, Maxie. Uh-oh. You're making a mess. You're not a very good bartender. Hey, Max. Here, do you want this cup? Oh, here, wait a minute. Here's a bowl. Here. There you go. Put water in the bowl. Hey, Maxie. You're leaning up against me. Here, put it in the water. Down in the water. Down here. No. Are you going to get the plate now? What are you doing? Mm-hmm. Are you going to go fishing? I hadn't heated it up yet. Sorry. I've been having too much fun watching Buster. Now what? Is that so much fun? Go down the slide. Do you want to go down the slide? Oh, you hear Dad getting food. Are you all done now? Here, let me show you how to turn it off. Look, Buster. Watch. That's how you turn it off. You want to turn it on? Now turn it off. That's cool, huh? Come here. Come here. You want me to turn it back on? Here. On. Off. This is also from Cheryl.
Look.
And she got another one that I showed Earl.
Look. Ooh. That'll be good. In the mornings when he's
having playtime.
not out yet. Here.
Look.
Look at that. Look.
Like a kid, he wants the box.
Here. No, he'll tear this up in about 3 days. Here, say thank you.
Did you
You
miss
being
Dad?
shy?
Yeah. Had your bath. You want to like snuggle now?
There we go. Untie it. He's like, what all is here?
Yeah. It's like ADHD.
Ooh, look.
I think, here, I'll give that to Percy.
Yeah, Percy would like it.
And then I have the other one that Earl was kind of afraid of it, so I'm going to
Buster,
put this on Earl's bucket.
Look.
You gonna wear a hat? You need to wear a harness. Then we could go places.
Yeah, give this about 2 days.
Yeah. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Be nice. Say thank you.
It's like
Buster, get down on my arm.
Yeah, I got a call.
Get up here.
Like I said, that other
Will you get the door?
that other vet, they all quit. So I don't know. Here, I got the lighting. Come, Bobo, you gonna listen? Hey, bud, Earl. Uh-oh. Hi. You gonna answer the phone? I forgot to put the little toy on here, but I'll get it later, okay?
Oh, yeah?
Kiss, kiss. Get your bucket, buddy. Get your bucket. What are you talking about, Buster? Night, Earl. Live show tomorrow.
Is it Wednesday?
Tomorrow, this week it's gonna be. Go, you better get your steps in. Run, 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 run. Girl, you better get your steps in. Run, 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 Buster. Run. Let it out. What was that?
Oh, yeah?
You're missing it, Bobo. All right, you ready for bed?
You want to go to bed?
You going night-nights? Go see what I put in your bowl. You ready? Hilarious, huh? Night Buster, Night Earl. I'll get him up on the... Hey, Charlie. Get your... Yeah. Come on, get up here. Night Bussy. Love you. Night Earl, love you. Hey! Hey! What? You work?